Okay, why you want to join IBACIO? I think we have we have more qualified candidates than you and more experienced candidate than you. You are not as much qualified and experienced than as they are. So why we should select you?
Sir, from initial my childhood onwards, I have much discipline, and I have leadership qualities, and I have more sense of patriotism in me since I'm childhood. And from initial days onwards, I have a feeling that I need to do something for my country, and I think IB is the right platform. And from my 10th class onwards, I have gained much skills like uh, like public dealing and how hardworking and various other activities like uh, I can manage plenty of work with maximum accuracy with minimum errors in much less time. I think, sir, I will, if I fit for the, or if I join in the organization, I can definitely prove myself, and um, uh, uh, I think I can become a good asset to the organization, sir.
Okay.
And moreover, I have experience in software as well as the public dealing skills, which I have a broader knowledge in these two sectors, which will definitely help in gathering information in IB.
Okay. Now tell me about kitchen cabinet. What is kitchen cabinet?
Sir,
Kitchen cabinet.
kitchen, sir.
Yes, kitchen.
Uh, Sorry, sir, I didn't hear about it.
Okay. And what is cooperative federalism and what is competitive federalism?
Yes, sir. Sir, cooperative federalism is the cooperative federalism is nothing but
Having fun with you.
yes, sir. I was in another room and my grandfather came.
They are saying that you are looking very smart. You will get married soon.
Nothing like that, sir. I frequently get groomed like this. So,
Okay. Okay, just tell that cooperative and competitive federalism.
sir, cooperative federalism is the federalism is the process which is followed initially,
Hmm.
which is nothing but the center will the center will provide uh, provide few policies or measures to the state government, and state government should act according to it. But competitive federalism is nothing but the policy. It's very it's very sir. It's slightly different from cooperative federalism that uh, it provides a sense of competitiveness among the states for developmental activities.
Okay, so just give me at least one example for both. Where government
One example.
follows, yes, one example दीजिए cooperative federalism का और एक example दीजिए competitive federalism का.
Uh, Sorry, sir, I didn't go through much about it.
Okay. What is security level of Z, Z plus, Z plus plus? Do you have knowledge about it?
No, sir, I don't have enough knowledge about it. I heard that it's about the security forces giving protection to VIPs, I guess, sir.
Okay, okay, leave it. Now tell me that Naxalism is a profession or a movement in present scenario.
Naxalism is a progress, sir.
Profession or movement?
Projection, sir.
Profession.
Profession, okay, sir. Sir,
नक्सलिज्म प्रोफेशन बन गया है या अभी भी यह एक मूवमेंट है?
sir, from the initial days onwards, Naxalism began as a movement, sir. But presently, sir, it became a profession in my point of view, because the ideas of Naxalism is not being totally followed by the Naxals, sir. It is being reaped because of the benefits by, sir, mostly the poor indulge in this, and much of the funding and much of the funding and etc. is obtained in a huge amount and huge quantities, sir. So I think benefits which will be reaped from this Naxalism is attracting so many people, and this in turn is becoming a profession rather than a movement for specific peasants or the poor people.
Okay. Tell me some geographical difference between your state and Jammu and Kashmir militancy area.
Geographical differences, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think in Andhra Pradesh, the situation is quite peaceful among the people. There is no much militancy in Andhra Pradesh, and in few areas of Visakhapatnam where I live, and in certain areas of East Godavari, I think some Naxalism exists.
Sir. Just tell me geographical differences between these two states, not only Visakhapatnam. Tell me just all about your state, Andhra, and Jammu and Kashmir militancy area.
Okay, sir. Geographical differences in the sense, Andhra Pradesh is a coastal state, sir, but Jammu and Kashmir is not a coastal state. So, shall I carry on?
Carry on.
And there is no much terrorist in Andhra Pradesh. There is no much terrorist activities, but in Jammu and Kashmir, the terrorist activity is much higher in Jammu and Kashmir as a result of the Wahhabi culture. The Muslims in Jammu and major population in Jammu and Kashmir is Muslims, whereas in Andhra Pradesh, Hinduism is the major population, sir. Muslims are very less here. And here the promotion of Wahhabi culture or the radicalization of the youth or other counterfeit or funding to the terrorist or funding to the groups of the youths, various youths is not present in Andhra Pradesh, whereas that is present in Jammu and Kashmir.
And give me geographical differences between your state and Northeast insurgent area.
Sir, Andhra Pradesh is much. So northeastern states are much backward compared to the Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is highly developed, and unemployment rate is very much less in Andhra Pradesh, whereas in northeastern states unemployment is much more. And northeastern states, the main problem is the insurgency and the drug trafficking issue. But in Andhra Pradesh, there is no much drug trafficking issue or insurgency activities. Northeastern states are much, sir, they are mostly the hilly areas, and most of the tribals, such as backward classes, live. But in Andhra Pradesh, is not much backward area. So special northeastern states are basically a special category states, sir. But Andhra Pradesh is not a special category state.
Now, you are working in Office of Intelligence Bureau as an ACIU, and your boss has sent a girl to assist you. But when she knocks at your door and opens the door, you see, you look at her face, and the face, you recognize that she is a girl whom with you have break up 2 years ago. Are you getting my question?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my question properly or not?
Yes, sir. Can you please repeat it, sir?
Okay. You are working in Intelligence Bureau office as an ACIU post, and your boss had sent a girl to you to assist you. And she knocks
Yes,
at
sir.
your door, and as opens the door, you look at her face and you recognize that the girl is your ex, whom with you have a fight, dangerous fight,
Yes,
approximately
sir.
2 years ago, and you have broken up with that girl. And आप लोगों ने इतनी लड़ाई की थी कि आप लोगों के सर पे चोट के निशान भी है। ठीक है, आपके भी माथे फटा हुआ है, उसका भी यहाँ पे चोट है। दोनों एक दूसरे को बीट किए थे, मारे थे 2 years ago. That kind of
Yes,
enmity between you and that girl.
yes, sir.
What will you do at that time? Continue or not?
Sir, I will definitely follow my senior's order because I am here to do the national security, do my following job, and I won't consider I just forget my past or previous experiences, what I had with that girl. I just see her as a colleague and I move forward with the work. And I just confine myself with respect to work and nothing much more, sir. I
But
see her just as my colleague to assist.
but she is not cooperating with you in work. What will you do?
Sir, initially I take time myself. I just sit with her, explains the pros and cons of the situation, that what we need to do and what we need to do to move forward to get the work done. Because the doing work and doing work which is of highly important and doing work for the country is the most important thing which we need to do. So I'll just sit with her and make her understand the situation and work accordingly, sir. I'll just tell her the situation and make her understand.
And there is another situation. You are at the same position, at the same organization, same office. Another girl, which is working in that office for long ago, मतलब वो बहुत दिनों से वहाँ पे काम कर रही है आपके साथ. And she came into your office, your room, and closes the door and say that, Mr. Money, I want to spend a night with you tonight, right now. Then what will you do at that time?
Sir, as I have told, I'll definitely see her as my colleague. And presently, as you have mentioned that we already had a fight
No,
2 years back.
no. You got the wrong question. Another girl,
Okay.
not that girl. The girl.
Okay, sir.
This girl is new to you. Okay, and
Okay.
she came into your office and closes the door and offered you spending a night with her at that moment.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will definitely reject the offer because I think that, sir, I think that I don't have any specific feelings for that. I just see my colleagues as my colleagues, and if I don't have any feelings, I just maintain the distance with her. I just tell that this is not the right way.
Okay.
Because we are working in a specific organization and for.
Sir. But at that situation, she is much and more excited, and it is very tough to handle her. How you handle that situation?
Sir, I think, sir, I will explain her the situation that this is not the right way because we are working in a specific organization to serve the country and not for the personal gains. If she has any feelings for me, I think I will explain her that I don't have any feelings with her, and I'll just tell her that this is not the right way, and I'll just move away from her. I'll just tell
Okay.
her to let her go. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll just explain her the situation.
ठीक है, और आप सेम पोजीशन पर वर्क कर रहे हैं, उसी ऑफिस में हैं, और you have done something wrong. You have done something wrong, and only you knows about it. No other person will know that you have made a mistake and you have done something wrong. And inquiry is against you, inquiring into and asking to you that what is true. If you tell them, if you tell them true, then you will be dismissed your job and also punished with some serious charges.
Yes.
And if you not, then you will be escaped from it and continue your job happily. What will you do at the time?
Sir, at that specific point of time, if I had done a crime which is relating to the security of the nation or something which is against the law, I'll definitely accept my fault, and I'll just accept the punishment which they had given.
Okay, thank you. All the best for the future.
Thank you, sir.